another edition of Mathematics Clinic. I welcome you guys to Mathematics Clinic. My name is Tirime Master Oyeyepo. We are still on approximation, but under the approximation today, we'll be talking about decimal places. And when you're talking about decimal, firstly, these are the normally write decimal. 8 like this thing, 8.3648. This part is known as whole number, while this dot is known as decimal point. And those figures after this decimal point, they are called decimal fraction. You start measuring them one by one. And when talking about under this one, look at what we asked to do. Round up the following number to the nearest 1 dp, 2 dp, 3 dp, and whole number. This 1 dp, what does that mean? Simply means decimal places. And because of these decimal places too, we try to abbreviate. That's the reason why we are having 1 dp, 2 dp, 3 dp, and whole number. This 1 dp means 1 decimal place, 2 dp, 2 decimal places, 3 dp, 3 decimal places, and whole number. These are the question. 8.3648, B 17 points. I get this whole number, you read it. If I should add another figure to this, that's why I put 5 here, it will be 517 points. Now after this decimal point, you start measuring those figures one by one. 8543, and this third one, it will be 0.009853. Now let's go to the solution straight. This first one, 8.3648, and we asked to approximate to 1 decimal place. What does that mean? That is, this is it. The first digit number after the decimal point is 3. Now this is our estimated value. Before you rounded it off, you look at the number that comes after it, which is 6. And 6, in our previous class, we've talked about rounding number, that we have 2 types of rounding number: round down and round up. And don't forget that round down are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, while round up are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now this 6 is round up. What are you going to do? You turn to 0, and when it is round up number, you turn it to 0 and add ones to that our estimated value, which is 3. 1 plus 3, it will give us 4. It will now be 8.4. That is 1 decimal place. Now approximate to 2 decimal places. That's 8.36. This is the 2, that is 2 digit number after the decimal point. This is the first 2 digit number after the decimal point. We now consider the 3rd digit number, which is 4. And this 4 digit number, is it round down number or round up number? You discover that 4 is round down number, which is what? It will turn to 0. You not add ones to this one. You not add ones to it. It will now give us, will still mean 8.36. That's 2 decimal places. And the third one, 3 decimal places. What does that mean? That is, after the decimal point, you must have 3 digit number. Now look at it. This is our dot, which is decimal point 1, 2, 3, and that's 364. And before you rounded it up, you consider the 4 digit number, which is 8. This 8 is a round up number or round down number. You discover that 8 is round up number, which is what? You turn it to 0 and add ones to this, to the number that preceded, that come before it, which is 1 plus 4, 5. This is now be 8.365. That is 3 decimal place. Now the fourth one says to the whole number. This is our whole number part. Now you also consider the number that comes after this whole number, which is 3. This thing, is it round down or round up? 3 is what? Round down number. It will turn to 0. You now add ones to this one. It's not give you what? 8. That is the whole number. Are you getting it? Now let's go. This B, because of our time, this B, it will just add it to your take home. Do it at your own leisure time. Let's go to this C. Are you getting it? Now you discover that this one is 0.009853. Now approximate to what? This one, let's start with 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places. 2 decimal places first. I know what. Now 3 decimal place, then 4 decimal place, and whole number. there. Now let's start with two decimal place. This is what the first 00, that is what the first two digit number after the decimal point. Before you rounded it up, consider the third digit number, which is 9. 9 is a round up number. You turn it to 0 and add ones to this number that precede it. This is approximately equals to this. Don't forget, this symbol simply means approximately equals to. That's this symbol. It's not 0.01. That is two decimal places. Let me write it. Two decimal places. Now, approximately this symbol is approximately equals to three decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Now, consider the fourth digit number, which is 8. 8 is round up. You turn it to 0 and add ones to this place. That will give us 10. That's 0.010. That's what? That's three decimal places. Are you getting it? Now, 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Consider the fifth digit number, which is 5. It's a round up number. Turn to 0, add ones to this place to give us 9, which approximately equals to 0.0099. That's 4 decimal places. Now the last one to the nearest whole number. This is our whole number part, is 0. Now look at the number that comes after it, which is what? Is 0. And the 0 is what? Is round down. So to be what? Is 0. There's no need to add any ones to this our whole number part. So it will give us what? Is 0. So we have come to the end of today's class. This is your take home. Just do this assignment, this take home, and forward it to me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.